The beeping alarm on your Wayne sump pump battery backup system is a critical warning that demands immediate attention to prevent potential basement flooding. This backup system serves as your protection during power outages, ensuring your sump pump continues operating when you need it most. The alarm typically indicates one of three main issues: a dead or low battery, loose connections, or a malfunctioning circuit board. Different Wayne models use varying light indicators to show battery status. Green typically means fully charged, yellow indicates partially charged, and red signals discharged or defective. Begin your troubleshooting with a visual inspection of the battery terminals. Look for secure connections and any signs of corrosion on the terminals. If you find corrosion, clean it with a wire brush and ensure all connections are tight. The red wire connects to positive and the black wire connects to negative. If the alarm started after a power outage, the battery may simply need recharging. Check your trickle charger, electrical outlet, fuse, and circuit breaker to ensure the battery is receiving power. If basic checks don't resolve the beeping alarm, the battery likely needs testing or replacement. Here's how to properly test your sump pump battery. Sump pump batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. When replacement is needed, Wayne recommends specific battery specifications for optimal performance. For wet cell batteries, proper water level maintenance is crucial. Check each cell and fill with distilled water as needed, ensuring the water level sensor is correctly positioned. Beyond battery issues, check that the float switch moves freely without obstruction and ensure the pump impeller is clear of debris that could prevent proper operation. If problems persist after checking all components, a faulty circuit board may be the cause. This requires professional repair or complete system replacement for safety and reliability. Modern systems like the Wayne Basement Guardian offer continuous monitoring through mobile apps, providing advanced notifications of potential issues before they become serious problems.